10 animal hybrids you were never supposed to see. These aren't rumors. These aren't made-up monsters. These animal hybrids were actually created in labs, farms, or through unnatural breeding, and they shock scientists, ethicists, and even the public. Some were made for research, some were made for money, some were made because humans can't stop playing God. Let's know about them. Number 10, liger. The liger is what happens when a male lion mates with a tigress. Larger than either parent, a single liger can weigh over 900 pounds and stretch more than 11 feet in length. They have the majestic mane of a lion combined with the faint stripes of a tiger, making them look like mythical beasts. But beneath this grandeur is a genetic mystery. Ligers often suffer from growth disorders and health issues because they are not meant to exist in the wild or even in captivity. They are born only through human interference, and nearly all are sterile. It's power, beauty, and tragedy rolled into one massive feline body. Number 9, zonkey. Mix a donkey's stubborn soul with a zebra's rebellious style, and you get the zonkey, a creature that literally looks like someone painted a zebra on a donkey. Zonkeys are rare because zebras and donkeys have different numbers of chromosomes, making successful breeding uncommon. But when it happens, you get a half-striped, half-solid hybrid with a mind of its own. Zonkeys are incredibly strong, but often unpredictable and hard to train. Farmers try to tame them, and most fail. Nature never intended for these two to cross paths, but somehow they did, and the result is as bizarre as it is fascinating. Number 8, Grolar bear. As polar bears move south in search of food and grizzlies move north due to climate change, the two species are colliding, literally. Grolar bears, also known as Pizzly bears, have started appearing in the wild, especially in Canada. They inherit the grizzly's aggression and the polar bear's endurance, creating a hybrid that can dominate almost any environment. These hybrids are not only stronger and more adaptable, but they are also smarter hunters, able to survive longer with less food. They are living proof that climate change is not just about ice caps melting. It's rewriting the predator hierarchy. Number 7, Wholphin. At first glance, a wholphin looks like a large, oddly colored dolphin. But it's not a trick of the eye. It's a rare hybrid between a bottlenose dolphin and a false killer whale. There are only a handful of wholphins known to exist, most of them born in captivity. Their existence is a marvel because dolphins and whales belong to different genera. Yet somehow, their genetic codes match just enough to produce a living hybrid. Number 6, Savannah cat. The Savannah cat looks like it belongs in the African savanna, not curled up on your couch. This exotic feline is a cross between a domestic cat and the African serval, resulting in a tall, slender cat with golden fur and bold black spots. While beautiful and striking, Savannah cats are not ordinary pets. They leap 6 feet in the air, open doors, and are known to bond closely with one owner while being aggressive towards strangers. Their wild DNA makes them illegal in many countries, and owning one is like signing up for a mini predator that thinks it rules your home. Number 5, Kama. A Kama is the offspring of a male dromedary camel and a female llama. These two species could never breed naturally because of their massive size difference. So scientists in Dubai decided to force the union through artificial insemination. The result is a weird, woolless, humpless hybrid with an awkward temperament. Kama were originally bred for wool and strength, hoping to combine the llama's gentle behavior with the camel's endurance. But the result was mixed. Most Kamas are sterile and often moody. They are walking proof that just because science can create something doesn't mean it should. Number 4, Beefalo. When ranchers wanted a heartier, more efficient meat source, they crossed domestic cows with American bison, and the Beefalo was born. These hybrids are bred to combine the lean meat of bison with the docile nature of cattle. In theory, they are perfect. In practice, they can be hard to contain. Some Beefalo escape and breed with wild bison, raising concerns about ecological purity. Others are kept on farms but display surprising bursts of aggression. They look like gentle giants but carry the DNA of a wild beast. Farmers love them, but only when they behave. Number 3, Jeep. When a goat and a sheep fall in love, or are accidentally kept too close, you sometimes get a Geep. These rare hybrids are difficult to produce because goats and sheep are genetically very different. When they do survive birth, Geeps have an odd mixture of features like woolly coats, goat-like faces, and unpredictable behavior. Most are sterile and live short lives, but some, like one named Butterfly from Arizona, gained fame for surviving against all odds. Number 2. Coy wolf. The coy wolf is not an experiment in a lab. It's an experiment by nature. As humans cleared forests and destroyed wolf packs, coyotes moved into their territories and started breeding with the few remaining wolves. The result is the coy wolf, larger than a coyote, smarter than a wolf, and unafraid of urban areas. They have been spotted across North America, even in cities like Toronto and New York. These hybrids are stealthy, opportunistic, and alarmingly bold. Scientists now worry they are creating a new apex predator, one that thrives in the very environments humans live in. Number 1. Human-animal chimeras. Here's where things get truly disturbing. In top-secret labs, scientists have begun merging human stem cells with animal embryos to create what are called chimeras. The goal, they say, is to grow human organs for transplant. But when human brain cells are inserted into animal fetuses, the ethical lines begin to blur. Could an animal develop human consciousness? Would it feel pain, emotions, or even thoughts? These projects are often run in secrecy, with governments struggling to regulate what can and cannot be done. We are not just mixing DNA anymore. We are inching toward creating beings that fall somewhere between man and beast, and no one really knows where it will end. Here's a quick question. If you were a mad scientist, what animal hybrid would you create?